That's a good estimate right from the off. I will keep that. Hey Les, unfortunately I've got to put up with this mobile broadband again today, and hopefully next week we'll have, well, I've been told it will be done by Friday next week, so I might have another week of this crap. So apologies for everybody on the stream that's tuning in and wanting to see me trading live. The trading seems to be fine. The software seems to be working okay, but it's just the stream keeps being a bit glitchy. We'll see. How are you doing anyway, Les? Remember to tap the screen 10 times, Les. You know the rules. Thanks, Scalper. I don't know how to send likes on. Go figure. Not quite worked out how to send likes on the web browser. We're live. Hey, Confakey, how you doing? I don't know about anybody else. Is anybody else that's been known to stream live lost the ability to schedule your lives? I've lost the calendar functionality, so I can't schedule my going live anymore. I don't know what's going on. I'm TikTok behaving like idiots. So there's not a huge amount of activity today. We're watching two at the moment. We're watching Intercept Pharmaceutical. And we're watching Austin Gold. So Austin Gold was an IP. So this one's Austin Gold, and that was an IPO yesterday. And you can see that if you look at it on the 60-minute, you can see what kind of that's the daily. The 60-minute, you can see it popped up. It had loads of halts up and down yesterday, but it popped up and then sold off, and it's quite lively again today. So it went up to almost $30 yesterday as an IPO, $29. It's down at $5.60, so let's see what happens with it today. It'll be interesting. You very often get new IPOs can be extremely volatile, and if this is going to be volatile, we want to take advantage of that. Unfortunately not, Alistair. I've received a message today that it's going to be next Friday when they switch it. I don't know why. They say they want to install it. I'm like, I've got all the equipment. I'll just switch on the bloody exchange. That's all I need. But go figure. What's a good way to start day trading? Stock 1910. Yeah, learn how to read the charts. The first thing you need to do is learn how to read charts. Learn how to do technical analysis. Don't put money into the markets until you've learned how to do technical analysis, and then you learn a strategy on how to trade. So do a lot of paper trading first, and learn a strategy, learn a documented and profitable strategy that you can adhere to. Discipline is absolutely key. So just do some studying. That's how to get started. Oh, look at this trend line here. That's an exciting trend line. Austin Gold. Why does it do that? That's just a ridiculous. Let me zoom out. There you go. That looks a bit more like. Yeah, absolutely. How much is too much for an accountant to charge when to sort out taxes when trading? Each accountant charges what you're prepared to pay. If you think they're charging too much, then they're charging too much. A good accountant tends to charge more. Simple. And it depends where you are as well. If you're in a financially lucrative area, they will charge more. So, you know, how long's a piece of string? How long have I been trading? I've been trading a couple of years now, Dan, and it took me about 6-7 months before I started to be profitable, consistently profitable, I would say. I had streaks in the meantime. There's the 8 o'clock scrum. I had streaks in the meantime where I'd do like 3, 4, 5 days green and then blow it all and lose it all. And I still have tendencies to do that. Have long winning streaks and then a big red day. But that's just me getting overconfident and cocky with the markets, and I get humbled every now and again, and that happens. But I've been consistently profitable. I'll have red weeks, I'll have red days. But the last time I had a red month was January 2021. So since January 2021, I've been consistently profitable on a monthly basis. Did I do a course, or do I have a course stop? I think that's a little bit of ambiguity in that question, just the way you've worded it. Did you a course, Tony? Did I do a course when I was learning? No, I didn't. I learned the hard way and the expensive way, unfortunately. Well, unfortunately for me. But do I have a course? Yes. Check out the link in my link tree. It's very affordable. Yes, I do have a course. It's very affordable. There's a link in my link tree. Check it out. It's $150, including tax. Depending on where you are, it might be less. Which is it's a monthly. What you get with that, you get mentorship. You get access to a private Discord with a full community of traders. You get there's a private Facebook group as well. You get the full day trading course. At the moment, you get an introduction to swing trading as well on top of that as a bonus. That will be a separate course very shortly as I'm padding that out, as I'm building that out. It takes time. There's over 17 hours worth of lecture material on the day trading course. There's another 4.5 hours on the swing trading course so far. So it does take a lot of time, a lot of my time to put this together. But yeah, check it out in the link tree. Silicon Motion Technology. Let's have a look at what's made this pop up now on very low volume. There's a conference call in progress. All right, okay, so CMO. Yeah. So this has just popped up, and it's not worth trading. Basically, MaxLinear just confirmed it's going to buy this particular one for 93.54 per share in cash. So there's no trade here. I'd hate to be the person that bought up here, knowing full well that you're going to be forced to sell your shares at 93.54. Ouch, that's got to be painful. No, I wouldn't say I'm a scalper. I do scalp, but I'm more of a pattern trader. I'm more of a pattern. I'm a momentum trader, but I would say my style of trading is pattern trading. So I can hold. The thing is with scalping is a lot more difficult than it seems. And if you're an active scalper, where a lot of people are scalpers is when they're using free commission brokers. I'm not using a free commission broker. The thing is with scalping, you're very active. You're looking for short moves and taking advantage of that. You're trading frequently, but for small gains, and that racks up commissions. If you're not trading if you're not trading with a free commission broker, that will rack up commissions. So scalping for me, whilst I do scalp, I would only really tend to scalp with higher price stocks where the moves are beneficial and I'm getting good gains enough to cover the commissions and transaction fees. Like I say, I'm a pattern trader. I'm a pattern day trader. I'm a momentum trader more than anything else. Okay, well, what I'll do whilst it's a bit quiet, what have we got? 8:05. I'll show you directly. Okay, so here's my face. If you go to my profile, so this is for stock 1910. Thank you for bringing this up. If you go to my profile, you click the link in the link tree. If it gives you this splash screen, just go straight through, and it'll bring you to the link tree. So the link tree, the very first link on the link tree is my course, and this is what you get with it. It's a beginner's. It's what I would class as day trading in lay terms. It gives you all of my strategies, all of my methodologies. It teaches you how to trade, what to trade, when to trade. It teaches you how to find stocks to trade. Teaches the patterns to look for, and it teaches you the windows of opportunity as well within those patterns. If you check this out, it's got a full description on here. The syllabus. You can actually watch the first lesson. I'm going to re-record it for the course, but essentially the first lesson is available on my YouTube channel for free, just to give you an insight. That's the introduction to trading. Then there's a lecture, an hour and a half, about risk management and how to manage your risk. I suppose I need to go back and watch that myself after this last week. Then stock selection. What are we looking for? What is it that we want when we're choosing stocks to track? Setting up your charts, understanding areas of opportunity within the charts. Then we're looking at chart patterns, the typical patterns we like to see based on our strategies. Then we'll actually talk about the strategies in more detail. Stock scanning, there's a tutorial on how to set your scanners up. I use Benzinga, and I'll come to that in a second. Then there's a very important lesson on the psychological and emotional element of trading. This is probably the most difficult piece that you will have to overcome. Is human nature means that trading is difficult from